Hello guys, welcome to my channel TECHFAC TREE. So today we will learn some new things about Snapchat. So watch this video till the end. Number 1. Customized emoji. If you are tired of watching the fire emoji in your snap streak, then don't worry, you can customize your emoji like my emoji. To customize emoji, open your setting. Scroll down and click on Customize Emojis. Here you can customize emojis of many things. Click on Snap Streaks to customize emoji of streak. While there are many emojis, now here you choose your favorite emojis.
Number 2. Send snap instantly for streaks.
If you want to send snaps only for streaks, but you have many friends, then don't worry, I have a solution for you. To send snap only for streak, type your streak emoji in search bar. Amazing, here you see only streaks friends. Now here you select your friends to send snap for streaks instantly. Number 3. Screenshot without notification. First, you install Short Saver application in your phone and open it to take screenshots without notification. Now in Snapchat, here you find a new red color camera option to take screenshots without notification. Tap on this camera to take screenshots. Number 4. Read message without seen. If you want to see message without seen, then don't worry. Simply hold Bitmoji of your friend and drag it to right side like this. Don't open full chat box. Now you can read message without seen. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.